देखिए दुख जब मैच हारते हो तो उसका दुख ज्यादा होता है। परफॉर्मेंसेस बैट्समैन के होते रहते, नहीं होते रहते, लेकिन अगर जो आपको रिजल्ट्स चाहिए अगर वो नहीं मिलते तो उसका दुख ज्यादा होता है। ऑब्वियसली इसमें रिजल्ट्स क्यों नहीं मिलते, वो इसलिए नहीं मिलते जब अगर आपके पास अपॉर्चुनिटी है वो गेम को दबाने के लिए तो वो गेम को दबाना चाहिए। उसमें शायद बॉलिंग हो या बैटिंग हो, बैट्समैन हो या बॉलर्स हो, दोनों का उतना ही रोल रहता है। हमारे पास चांसेस थे। अभी तक 4 मैच हुए, चारों मैचेस में पहले मैच को अगर छोड़ दो क्योंकि वो मैच जीते जो एडिलेड में हम हारे, ब्रिस्बेन में और यहां पर जो हारे, उसमें हमारे पास चांसेस थे अच्छा करने का, अपॉर्चुनिटीज लेने का, बट वो अपॉर्चुनिटीज हमने लिए नहीं। उसकी वजह से गेम में पीछे लगे। फिर ऑब्वियसली आज हमारे पास अपॉर्चुनिटी था कि गेम को हमारे तरफ लाया जाए या ड्रॉ किया जाए, बट कोशिश की। बट अगेन बहुत से लड़के जिनकी आप बात करें, जिन्होंने रन बनाए, लंबा खेल सकते थे, लेकिन अभी नए लड़के सीखेंगे, आगे जितना मैचेस खेलेंगे तो सीखेंगे उस चीज को लेके।
Where do you stand as a captain and as a batsman, and what are the processes that you are trying to follow now that maybe some corrective measures that you did? Like where do you stand mentally and as a player?
I stand where I'm standing today. There is nothing to think about what has happened in the past. Obviously, few results have not gone our way. As a captain, yes, that is disappointing. And yes, as a batter as well, a lot of the things that I'm trying to do is not falling in the place that I would want to. But mentally, look, it is disturbing without a doubt. If you've come here and you want to come here and try and do successfully what you're supposed to, and if those things don't fall in place, that is a big disappointment. But as of now, that is where it is, and there are things that we as a team need to look at. I personally need to look at as well. So we'll try and see what happens. There's still a game to go, and if we can play that game well, it's 2-2. So a draw will be really nice.
Just on that, 3 days to the next test match, as shattering as this loss is, how do you regroup? Because you said there are still series to be drawn for people or how do you regroup?
Look, there's not enough time, obviously, but there are a lot of things that didn't go our way. Obviously, we have to look at those things, try and see what we can correct that we didn't do well as a team, as a players, as individually as well. So those are the things. Yes, there's not enough time, but we just want to not give it up and make sure that when we turn up at Sydney, we try and do everything possible to try and move that momentum towards us. Again, we have seen it over the years. Coming here and playing is not easy, but I wouldn't say that we've played bad cricket so far. There have been times where we ourselves are very disappointed with certain things that we did, but again, there are a lot of things also that we did right as well. So, but again, like I said, Sydney, again, we have an opportunity to come out there and do what we can as a team and make sure we try and play that game well.